This is a Flux core welding wire, and it works similar to the stick welding or the electrode. This one feeds through the gun, the welding gun, continuously. So when you are welding, there's no break or changing the electrode. So I've run out of this one, so I'm going to put in a new one. It will feed through, and there are a number of these wires. This one is a flux core, which means it has the carbon along with the wire all in the same wire or in the same coil, so you don't need to run gas. And this one has a port for gas. You don't need to run a shielding gas for this one because it's already added as part of the wire. So what I will do now is to get it out of the package, and I'll feed it into the gun, and that will be what will do the welding for me. So this is a new one, trying to find the direction. I think it is this way. So it goes in like this, and then this goes on top of it, like that. And then you have the spring, then you have this nut that goes on top of the spring, and the wire itself will be this one. So I have to get it off, and then I'll feed it through this entry. I can't do it with one hand, but yeah, that's how it works. So I'll get it off camera.